Welcome back. My name is Alex Judd, and this is the build series working on my 240SX. The last video was a lot better, well received than I really thought it was going to be. A lot of you tuned in to see what happens. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, this is the series working on my very broken down 240. Today we're going to just crack into the interior a little bit, mess with the wiring. So let's get to it.
I don't know how well this is going to be picked up, but I'm thinking, there it is, that's an issue. It's all bendy. It's all, where's my hand? It's all bendy. Not good. Very bad.
So we got this out. The chassis harness needs a bit of work. I just want to make sure everything's good. There's a couple random splices and stuff. I just want to make sure everything is golden before we put it back in. The engine harness is from Wiring Specialties. I don't need to touch that at all. Leave that. I'll go through this now. The chassis harness I've decided to not use. It's already been hacked up quite a bit by me, the previous owner, because of the burn as well. Just gonna go on eBay and find a new harness. The engine harness is good, so we'll just get on eBay, get a new harness, make sure that one works well, loom it up, call it a day there. So then, unfortunately, that means this is a quick video, but there's not much I can do until I get the new harness. The cylinder head comes back next week, so I want to get straight into that. That video will be a lot longer, more in depth. This was just going to be a quick wiring overhaul, but I can't just yet. So I'll get to that when I get the new harness. I'll make the part 2 for this video. But right now, like I said, the cylinder head comes back next week, so I'll be able to put on the gasket, cylinder head, cams, do all of timing. While the RTV sits for that, we'll be able to do oil pan, the intake, exhaust, have it all dialed. That'll be a longer video. That'll be way better. But I want to wrap that up into one, have that all dialed, try to start at the end of it, starting it. I'll have to send out the ECU as well. I'll try to do that this week. I'll get back in touch with the RS empathy guy. But that'll be it. I hope you enjoyed watching. This was a kind of weird video because we didn't really get much done. We just took shit off, but it is what it is. Next Monday, this will be coming out this Monday. So next Monday, I'll have the cylinder head video. And thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, show your friends. Thanks.